I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Readdress me properly. Become a company sure you address me properly.
Chatala family, we welcome to the fucking Chatala platform. The queen of the dancers.
No. You can't start. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. You're crazy. Don't do that. Address me properly. Address me properly. Me not gonna stay up on it and speak to you. When you speak to me, address me properly, lava. My work for it, so you give it to me. Read. Read to the people that want type for you something that you can't read. Read. Outside, I'm right. Work.
Oh, hold up.
See the boss nation people them they can type.
Okay.
Read and write.
Okay.
Read, you know, type it, make him say.
Okay.
Read what it read for your screen. You're very out about that. Work for this and sex for this. Address
okay. You want me to do it now then?
Take your time. Hold on, let me catch my breath.
I'm gonna drink some water again.
Here properly. Drink your water outside.
Wednesday, January 12th at approximately 9:50, Chatala platform, we present to you the Queen, the Grammy nominee, Spice Grayson Hamilton.
You forced me to put it on my YouTube. And Troy haven't officially released it as yet. Hashtag different category. People, Spice bust off Shenseea head. And Dismantle, Pretty TC and Rebel, they Dolly them. Let's start this review off right, people. Boom, viewers, subscribers, back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that you don't know the thing said, people. Spice bust off Shenseea and they Dolly them head, you see me, I say. And before we get into the rest of the video, I have to explain some things to other because Shenseea thief from Spice again. And we're gonna get to that, but this is why y'all follow me, because I was the first one to say that Shenseea obviously is throwing some shots towards Spice when she dropped the Dolly track, you know what I mean, which featured Spice ex-dancers and all of the besties them said me crazy and mad, and Spice would never entertain Shenseea them, you see me, I say big up yourself, Spice, you feel me, because Spice confirms what I have been saying. And I mean, and you know the other day, Dressmaker Boy come out and say Spice did ungrateful and all of these things, you know. And I forgot to mention to Ono, Spice is no longer signed to any label, so she not have a whole lot of tongue no more, you feel me? And she's definitely bringing it to Shenseea, you see me, I say so. Shenseea, I hope you got your Ghost Riders up, girl, because Spice I got hard, you know. Spice I got hard, people, man, not lie. Yo, son, Spice called Shenseea damn battery Dolly, you know. But before we get into that, let's see what Shenseea is up to, because man, not lie, homegirl sneaky, you know. I mean, not lie, it look like says she a thief Spice lyrics them again, you see me, I say. But nevertheless, this is what she had to say, and things. So Shenseea said this: if I wig I put on, Dolly have length. You see me, I say, don't play with my inches, you feel me? And when you think about inches, you think about Spice. Because you know Spice is in the wig business and she had a song named Inches, you feel what I'm saying? And she had a whole of the dancing girl them in her head, as you seen the picture earlier with them in the ropes and all of this stuff. So I know for sure Shenseea is doing another music video because let's be honest, people. I love my Shenyangs, but Shenseea only get did up or do up when she's gonna drop a music video, you see me, I say. And it look like such a day at the seaside like the angel for bus, the lime in a Spice face, cause you know them have Spice as Obi a Dolly. Boy, people, it rough our ass, clad. Put in the comment section if you think that Shenseea is gonna drop another diss track towards Spice, because me not lie, me like the competition, you see me, I say. But Shenseea, if ready for bust off girl face if she got really clash Spice, you know, because Spice is a hardcore Jamaican artist. You see me, I say. And she probably went easy on that track here, but Spice have to realize that she don't want to fall into Shenseea them trap because Shenseea is dropping an album this year and Spice would definitely keep Shensea's name buzzing if she keeps on answering, you know, but Spice have to defend the crown, you see me I say? Yeah, but enough of me talking. Let's see and listen to Spice introduce that song, yeah, you see me I say? Oh, and I mentioned earlier, she's not signed to no record label no more. I'm talking about VP, so she doesn't need to wait on them to give a go ahead or the clearance to release any songs. As you know, that was a problem last year with this song In Front of You, Money Walk, because this was actually a diss track towards Pretty TC and Rebel and them, you know. But you know, the VP record saw all the buzz that this was generating. I said, you know what, we're not gonna clear it. We're gonna put Friends out first, and you know what I mean. The Marco is producing this Battery Dolly song as well. So I just wanted to give you all of the necessary information when I listen to what Spice have to say and why she's going so hard, because Shenseea and Ramesh, this are straight face. You see me I'm saying? She not take no disrespect, you see me? Oh, and I forgot to mention, she dropped the diss track, different category. You feel what I'm saying? She says that we are not the same. Yo. Why, people, it starts, you know. It starts.
Pussy. Hey, Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, madam.
I wait the all this time for you get a piece of bean over here with the all this again.
What kind of beating him get over here?
We get beaten.
You not going to tell me that.
Spice.
Me get over
Spice.
there.
I so much beating
Spice.
again.
Spice.
Because you're the baby mother beating.
Spice. I'm regular beating the ground over here.
Where being?
I
Or
lie.
never tell me.
Yeah, man.
Push up him beating here in the camera.
Yeah, him beat people when him ready and he get beat to still. Him love it though.
Oh, what?
What the pattern him beating, man?
Them man.
I'm just gonna beat it past myself right through.
Oh, okay. So, why you get one if you stop coming for you?
Eh?
You take for stop forward over here?
Oh, no, man.
Okay. So much to realize, you know, how the other get beaten, you know?
That way you're bad.
Yo, Happy New Year, more life and more blessing, you know? Yeah,
They
Hitmaker,
are
that
the
man.
with Hitmaker, richest artist from Jamaica.
No, sir, no, don't say that.
The top man.
Yeah.
See that, that's the richest artist.
Richest artist from
Yeah,
Jamaica.
no.
Hitmaker. Most talented from Jamaica. And today, me and him talk about this. Them are the one of a kind from Jamaica.
Yeah.
I mean, never know.
Never know.
Most talented.
One thing it's still, you always, you know, how they work together, that's good though.
Yeah, that's why I said Queen, you talk about.
Yeah, man, that's good though.
And Grammy nominated Queen.
Oh, me
Yeah,
like
correction.
Me
You
just
see
cannot
it?
stop it.
Sorry.
You see it?
I'm gonna stop him again.
You see it?
Nominated.
You see
Me
it?
just not gonna stop him again.
Yes.
Achoo.
Yeah,
Achoo. So,
I want to introduce my new song. I couldn't come right here and introduce my new song. Hold on, let me put it on my phone. Oh, I'm gonna do it, Marco. The Marco where you ring light there. I just
Ring light.
but you want the people them see me a new year or in a blue.
right, all different type of color.
People them see me.
All right, let me turn up the
Hold
light.
on.
Let me turn up the light. You want people them see you? See it there?
The Marco at
Them
studio.
see ya.
You ever show the people them in the studio? The Marco if you make the people them know see you're rich, you know.
Them know
Yeah.
about the rich.
Hold on. Me turn up the
People
comment.
know
Me
say,
turn
oh,
up.
you're rich.
Spice, me just turn up the comment. Spin on that studio. Me see the studio look.
Jesus.
But me see the
Hold
studio
on,
look.
let me turn it around. Hold on.
Yeah, no. Them bad.
Proper studio. Watch it.
Yo.
Watch
Don't
it.
show
Light
them-
right
don't
through.
show them the camera. Don't show
No,
them.
me have to show them. People, I tell people them how you're rich and them not believe me.
I want that, the gold black.
Watch out.
Mm-mm.
The gold black. Eh?
Mm-mm.
Charlie black.
Big up Charlie Blacks. Oh, I
Big up
mean.
Party animal.
Cool. Remember Charlie Blacks called me what day and said big up Queen.
The Queen.
Yeah, studio body.
You know how much it is?
Jesus Christ.
Other one day, the bag of money
Jesus
that's in the
Christ.
time all the time.
You know how much for that?
So, watch my live video now. I'm at Mr. Lava. The camera in here, the camera there.
No, bigger one than that.
That video, this is a bigger camera. That camera alone at 150,000.
Yo, Jesus Christ. No,
I'm
lie. Lie.
Then I
artists in the music.
I lie.
That's him. And that's him did rich.
Let me not tell
That's
you
a
how
lie.
not listen to me.
That's a lie.
We never know.
It's lies. See the richest artist, yeah.
May I tell you now, not listen to me. New song.
Hook up the thing.
When I put it on my phone, him can't hear it because I remember I it in a studio.
Yeah.
The new song, yeah, the people them listen how it go.
You ready?
Wait. Because I want them hear it, you know. I want them listen. Hold on.
All right, me want go on.
Let me intro it first. May I have to intro it. See that song you know?
Yeah.
It named Same.
Same?
It named Same.
Okay.
You know why it named Same?
Talk to me.
Whole heap of girl out there have the same things them.
Bumbo
Same
clot.
shoes, same
Yeah.
clothes,
Same furniture.
same wig, same furniture, same something.
Yeah, and same body.
But not because you have the same things them,
Yeah.
that don't mean you are the same.
Bumbo clot.
We got the same clothes and the same things. We got the same pretty face, same small waist. Baby, the same and we got the same taste. The same long hair, we got the same lace. Same body, wake up, we got the same shape. Same.
You can hear it properly?
Turn
Turn it
do you-
down.
oh, no. Do you mind like send it to me first and I play it over here?
I want to premiere my own song. You can hear it?
Yeah, but it's better me play it over this section and everybody hear betterly.
I want to play it for my besties, them, and my Gaza fans, and my Chat and Laugh family, and my Buzz Nation family.
Go on, man, you too. All right, man, play a song. Sure.
We got the same clothes from the same place. We got the same pretty face, same small waist. Baby, the same and we got the same taste. The same long hair, we got the same lace. Same body, wake up, we got the same shape. Same food, rich stack up, we eat the same.
What is?
So what
Oh,
is?
so people will be strong. And what is like that? What is
We got the same clothes from the
that's so what that's strong. Oh, when you pop like this.
Wagwan.
Yeah.
Voila, we'll go back in it again. Come we don't tell them, you know.
We got the same clothes from the same place. But me them on another level, me no see them at all. None at all, me no see them at all. And me them on another level, me no see them at all. Them not connect like when you reject a call. Cause me them on another level, me no see them at all.
Right, all right, go.
Different in a different category.
You notice how the song start out?
Sick lord.
You notice how the song start out, Lava? We shop the same place, have the same wear, the same long hair. We got the same lace, same body we cock up. We shop the. We are not the. You understand? We are not the same thing.
Whoa. Chat the bomb.
None at all. Me no see them at all. Come me dey on another level. Me no see them at all. Ordinary me in a different category. Tell a fear what we like a me a them in carry. Battery Dolly Lily. Bamba Some new just spice. Me never know it. How it go?
I just like chat and laugh. I love over here. I love it.
Yeah, we have the same things then, but not because we have the same, that don't mean we are the same.
Thank you very much.
So some people have to just get certain local things straight.
Right?
Me and you have the same shoes, we don't want the same. We don't still not the same.
Spice, these are some of the things me ever tell some of them in their party now. Selector, not because we're on the same dance, that mean when it's on the same fucking level, man.
We're not the same.
Me tell them, ladies, I say, ladies, only part time I talk this in a party, not because you're a girl of the same Louis bag, different level. Fair Louis bag not having no money.
Different category.
Damn, can I play back for, lay back for me, please, from the start?
Yes, so me like. The mark of me. I'm going to chat to the girl, them. It's a focus here, it's a money here.
Talk now?
Different category.
True.
Not because we have the same bag don't mean we are the same.
Talk no.
You're going to ask you to buy your bag and me going to the real place to buy my bag. You have your little feet bag and come stand upside of me and the bag look the same. It does not mean we are the same.
Spice, stop. Not because I don't want it over here. Stop it. Stop it. DeMarco, talk to her, please.
Eh? At the Queen. Make
Pussy club. Jesus, please.
Girl, you have on your wig and me have on my wig. It does not mean we are the same. You spend your money and do your body and me do my body and our body look good. It still does not mean we are the same.
Same. No go
We
so.
are not the same.
No go so.
You have to listen to the song properly. We got the same things. We are not the same things.
So when the song gonna release?
Song never advice yet.
Jesus. Oh, me believe. That's why I never want to sing a song.
But that's like the part where say, me no ordinary, me in a different category. Y'all feel watch me like a me and them inquiry. Factory, Daddy Lily, me a feel.
Pussy clad.
Why?
I know it's gonna be a hit because Marco is there. Marco does, you know.
But I only my fans them can. Cause right now when me depend on a different level. Me not in a run up and down and a fuss and a cuss. That's why I want to get them for focus. This is a focus year.
Me tell them that for a couple of days now. Focus.
You see COVID come here and them say 1 year to stay. It now left for 3 years now. Yeah.
Me tell them that,
people
mama.
get out a road like shot. Me
Mama.
and you not go make me take up my life. I go me and you now. We're not doing that. We are not the same.
Mama, me tired for tell them.
My brain, they're on a different planet.
Mama, me tired for tell them. Mama, me tired for tell them.
Money me I deal with.
See it there?
Focus on money me I deal with.
Everything what you say right now from the ear start me a beat and I tell them years. And some of them like still just act fucking dumb. Me tell them say Spice.
So what you gonna tell me say you know like a girl you stay at your yard all day and depend your Instagram, depend fear Insta page or watch fear page and
fake page. Fake page. Some of them are waste too much.
The time they could have used and make some money. When I come on the live me here, you tell them to go start a little business and do something and sell something and them still have a problem with it. Some of them want to hide and sell pussy and them come go on like so them not sell it.
Pussy
Hey, lava! Pull up on them out, let them know. You're very welcome.
We are not the same. We have the same things, but we are not the same.
Spice, me tell them say from the ear start, me tell them say Marco, me tell them say energy is expensive. Me don't have the time for wasting on.
Yeah, man.
Energy is expensive. Me don't have the time for wasting on.
100.
Simple like that. Blood clot.
A few days ago,
blood clot.
a few days ago, we were going into a new year. The year done. A couple days from now, you got here we start say the year done again. So who no can stay there waste full time to worry about people and a plan. Me no depend that with una money me I deal with. Depend on a different level, me in a different level.
Damn. No waste energy. Jano, I never really prepare for all of this still. But when it come to Grammy Nami, it's like, you know, Saturday.
Asura,
People, New York people, Tri-State people, get ready. Spice live in concert and Jada Kingdom this coming Saturday. Queens, Amazura. I remember my birthday party at the Friday, so Spice said tall boots are there, and then she got take off her tall boots, flat-footed. Amazura.
A girl comment a while ago, she said, my clothes not sell. My website is www.gracinoir.com. Tell her to go over there and see if she can find our size. It's just stay on the blood clot website.
Oh boy.
Go over there, attempt like you try for order. Just go over GRACINOIR.com. I attempt to put in your size. It's not available. It's sold out.
Pussy clot. Pre-order. Mama go pre-order.
Right later on your thing.
It's crazy. All right, that's right there. So Saturday night, Amazura, right? That's right.
Yeah.
Jada Kingdom, big up yourself. Amazura Nightclub. Big up the promoter SDMC. Just come
Right.
to Queen and check out Jada Kingdom. Two big batty bunks on the stage, and that's right there. Show sold out. The girl them know we are not heels. Can we are straight whining. We are celebrate the new year and focus on the bag, and that's right there.
Pussy
Enjoyment
clot.
we are dealing with. Happy life.
Right.
Before I go, you see me?
Yeah.
Me not have no time to fly up in a God face. Me just want to say this and make it be very clear.
Right.
Me nah kill up myself with negative energy. Because you see, if me kill up myself with negativity and negative energy, me
Right.
fly up in a God face.
Right.
Me want to explain to you before me go. Because me man all the while me come talk.
Yeah, man, yeah, we're ready now. We're here.
Me not have time to fly up in a God face.
Mm-hmm.
Once upon a time, I had $0 in my bank account. Today, I can say I'm rich.
Bumbo.
Once upon a time, me, Gracie, had one pair of shoes. My closet is messy right now. I don't have any space. I don't know where to put them.
Pussy clot.
Clothes that when me have to bag up every day and I take out of my closet for give at the place where I place them out of Goodwill.
Brother, where the sound effects there, brother?
Pussy clot. Guana spice that now?
No, I want the people them understand. See how far me I come from. Hungry days. One pair of shoes.
Right.
Nothing at all. Look
Right.
at account and $0 there. They can't feed me pity them. Just when I wake up in the morning today, like now in my life,
Yeah.
my man go downstairs and make me breakfast.
Pussy clot.
My bed is expensive.
Mm-mm.
We can roll up and
Pussy clot. And now drop.
my kids are happy. They're comfortable.
Mm-mm.
When I go to the doctor and I do my checkup, no sickness.
Whoa, thank God.
I am healthy. For Christmas the other day, I gave my mother almost $2 million.
Pussy clot.
Why you think me go come with a negative energy and a stress and it's not going to happen. I am comfortable in life. I am grateful to God, and that is where it's gonna stay. No negative energy can come my way. In a different category, I'm gonna claim my blessings.
True word on the water, that's
Blessings
right.
me I claim. You know, no distraction. Me not depend on distraction.
Mm-mm.
When I talk about my nice mouth,
Yeah, your teeth them white too.
real.
Yeah.
No white alone. Real. Demarco! Demarco said me beat him too. True say your teeth them white and me say real. Him say you clock me.
I want to go on then.
Demarco with your teeth pretty. True me say my teeth them real.
So what?
You know your teeth pretty. Your teeth pretty.
But don't talk about the real part. What? Some of them are your one? Some of them are your one?
On my teeth.
It's pretty.
Oh.
Demarco say it's yeah.
Jeez. Pussy clot.
Yeah, that's the queen, yeah, man. I just, yo.
But I'm too comfortable. I'm too happy. I'm too successful. I'm blessed. My children are happy. Everything is perfectly fine.
Oma, wait, quite a few of them something you just saying in the last half. I say it myself. I say it myself all the while.
Worry is not a problem. So when we now go create none, like it's just
Yes.
it's
Yes.
just me flying up in God's face to say, God, you have given me so much. I am healthy. I'm alive. But you know, apart from all that you have given me, let me just still be ungrateful. It's not gonna fucking happen.
Nah. Not gonna happen.
But we're not gonna keep up over here. So I'm gonna walk good here.
Remember, people, Saturday, Amazura, Spice Jada Kingdom. I remember Spice, I have to tell them, Friday, I'm a birthday party, Tall Boots Affair. Remember that. I remember Spice say, walk in on the Tall Boots Friday and just take it off Saturday.
That's right there.
This right there. two
Big
big
up.
batty girl on the stage.
Right there, so. I'm a
Bounce about.
Sat there. That's so.
Bounce
Yeah.
about and go a bag of blood clot things.
Outside. Focus
Simp.
on that. Me say, don't forget, focus on the bag. Money
The bag.
we are deal with this year. Money we are deal with straight. Make on the plans on the dreams and go feed. Right there, so.
Right there, sir.
Yeah.
Love that.
Big up.
Jaja, people, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and hit the notification for the latest and dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.